Hi all, glad to join back with a new video. Well, if you're new here, my name is Rupak, and in this channel I'll be doing tutorials based on drawings, origami, artworks and anything both interesting and cool. And today friends, we'll learn how to make an easy greeting card for Father's Day. Yes friends. Well, in order to make this you'll require a sheet of paper of measurements 11.5 into 7.5. Well, I'm using a color paper. Now let's start. First, let's fold it into half. Crease it well, like this. So now it's time for us to do some markings friends. So first, let's measure 1 cm from the top. Mark a point. Similarly on the other side as well. Now we can connect these two lines. So now let's mark 1.5 centimeters from both the sides. So first this side and 1.5 centimeters from this side as well friends. So now let's take our scissors and cut it like this friends, till this point. Turn the paper and again cut till this point, like this. As we're making a shirt with collars, we'll be cutting this part alone friends. Now again, let's bring it back to the shape. And it's time to do the fold for the collars. Like this. And then you can crease it like this friends. And of course it looks like a shirt. But wait a minute, now it looks quite boring, isn't it friends? What shall we do? Yes, got an idea. Let's make a quick tie for this. Let's just place it aside. And right here I have a paper of measurement 5 centimeters into 5 centimeters. So now let's turn it like this. There are either two ways friends. First, you could do a tie using an origami like how I do. If you feel it's uncomfortable, you could just draw a tie and then stick it directly friends. Now let's fold it like this. Similarly on the other side as well. Crease it. Now let's turn our paper and fold it like this. Now we can again fold it like this friends. Crease it well. Now we can turn the paper and fold it towards the center point. Crease it well. Repeat the same fold on the other side as well. Crease it. And yes, our easy origami tie is now ready. So we can actually stick it right over here. It's sticking time. And yes friends, I have sticked it and it's right here. So now we could gently open it, and this is the place where we can write a message, that is Happy Father's Day. So now let's write it. Yes, it's now all done, and I really like the silver effect. So now we'll bring it back to its place like this friends. And with this, our easy greeting card for Father's Day is all done friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. And until next time, this is Rupak signing off. Think Unlimited.